Hey mamas, welcome back to my YouTube channel, This Mama Counts, and in this video I am going to talk to you and share with you my way of how I get to have fun with my family. We get to go to new places and explore a lot of really fun Airbnbs like this one where I'm at right now and still make it a business tax deduction. You ready? Vámonos!
My truck. Okay.
¿Ya me deja?
Ahí vamos.
This is what happens. Snacks for days. We got out of town for more than a week. We're almost at our location for our trip. Hubby doing great, driving 12 hours straight. You guys are good.
Saludos a los de Chicago. Estamos en vivo desde Phoenix, Arizona. Mando saludos de parte de Puerto Rico.
So meals can easily be a business tax deduction when you are out and about and when you are having meals with your families on a business trip, okay? Business/vacation trip. You can take up to 50% from your meals and make them a tax deduction for your business while you're hanging out with family, talking strategy, talking business. My husband and I are business partners in both of our businesses, so we talk about business strategy and different ways to continue to increase revenue in our business. Another tip, mamas, that you can have as well is that when you are taking a business/family vacation is you want to make sure that you are actually getting out of your regular tax home. What does that mean? So if you have an office that you run from home, right, you need to get out of there to make it an actual business tax deduction. So go to a resort, kind of where I'm at. Get an Airbnb, a hotel, wherever it is that this business/family trip can take advantage of, where you're going to be able to mix family with business and still have a great time. And the best part about it, you get to have it as a business tax deduction. So remember, mamas, make it your meals, get out of your tax home, and then also allow yourself to network, make it about business. You can extend your stay a little bit. You can get there a little bit early to this business event. The lodging where you're staying, the Airbnb, the hotel, that is an expense. Traveling to this business/family vacation is also an expense. If you have to rent a car during this business/family vacation is also a tax deduction. So those are some of the things that you can do, that you can implement, and that you can tax deduct and convert your family vacation/business trip into a business tax deduction. How fun is that? Look at this. My kids are having a great time. We have Unlock the Secrets event for marketing for the business, and we get to have fun along the way. This is super, super fun. So mamas, let me know if you like this video. Comment below, give me a like, and make sure that you hit that notification bell for you to get reminded when I drop another video of This Mama Counts. I'm gonna go back to have fun with my family and go learn more about marketing. Talk to you soon. Bye!
Saludos a los de Chicago. Estamos en vivo desde Phoenix, Arizona. Mando saludos de parte de Puerto Rico.